Dear friend, Maria was an 8-year-old girl. Her mother's loving nature has spoiled her. She never did any work at home and was rude in her behavior. Whenever his mother asks her to do anything, she used to say, I don't want to. When her mother again asked her to do something, she used to say, I told I don't want to. When you when you are going to say the same thing again and again, it will become your habit and you will not be able to say anything except that. Her mother explained her these things. So one day when Maria was walking through the meadows, she went near an strange house. She saw a well there and an, an old woman was trying to pull out some water from that well. As she was very old, she was unable to draw the pail of water through that well. So when she saw that little girl, she asked, Hey little girl, could you please help me to draw water from this well? And as usual, Maria was accustomed with her nature by saying, I don't want to. Here he also said, I don't want to. That old woman got furious and again requested her to please help her. And she told, my dear, could you please help me? As I am too old, I am unable to draw this water from this pail. I am unable to draw I am unable to draw I am unable to lift the pail of water, so could you please help me? Maria again said, I don't want to. That old lady became very furious and she crushed her. As you are so stubborn and you are saying the same thing again and again, I crush you that you will not be able to say anything except this, I don't want to. And it will definitely going to be happen with you. By saying all that things, the old lady was banished. Maria was very upset. She was quite surprised. She had heard about the stories of witches and fairies. She got frightened through this event. When she was returning to home, she met with her school friend. She requested her to play with her. But Maria wanted to say, yes, let's play, but she was shocked. She couldn't say yes. Instead, she said, no, I don't want to. Again, Maria was very upset. She returned to her home. On her door, on her gate, she met with her mother. Her mother offered her some coin and told her to buy some sweets for her. Here again Maria wanted to say yes, but she was unable to say Yes, again she told that I don't want to. Through these incidents, Maria was very upset. She was unable to understand what was happening with her. When Maria went to bed at night, she was thinking of that old lady. She looked like a witch. Again, then that old lady appeared in front of Maria. She told, "My dear, have you seen what has occurred with you throughout your day?" You wanted to say yes, but you were unable to say yes. Instead, you kept going to say you kept going, "I don't want to." So, my dear friend, my dear little girl, as you must know this thing that habits are very easy to form, but they are hard to leave. If you promise to me that you will be nice in your behavior and be courteous to everyone, I will I will make your tongue well again, and you will be able to use your tongue according to your way. So on this, Maria agreed, and she accepted that she would be nice and courteous to everyone. But that old lady again warned her, "If you say I don't want to more than once in a day, you will be again facing the same problem, and you will have lots of difficulties throughout your day. So please promise me you have to be nice and courteous, kind, polite to everyone." From that day onward, very Maria was changed completely. When she woke up in the next morning, she was quite happy. She was obeying all the orders of her mother. She was completely changed that day. She enjoyed her day throughout. She enjoyed herself throughout her day. She was very happy with herself that she had changed her behavior. So, my dear friends, through this story, I just want to say you one thing, that when we used to say any word again and again, it becomes the part of our habit, and we face lots of difficulty to leave that words. Sometimes we use bad words in our daily conversation. We became contagious. Uh, we got in, we get influenced by others and say the same things. So here I want to warn you that please don't go that way in your behavior. Please use appropriate words. Please use nice and polite words in your behavior, as your behavior displays your personality, your attitude, and it will be definitely easy for you to do that, as our success is also connected through our behaviors. So we must be cautious towards this. So the moral of this story is, it is easy to form a habit, but hard to leave them. So my dear friends, did you like this story? Did you enjoy this story? Although I was not so well prepared, that's why I fumbled a lot. So please forgive me for that. And we will meet again with another video with another more important and interesting topic. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice time. Thank you. Thanks for watching.